Hello everyone, my name is Nkosi, 21 years of age, and I'm currently doing my second year in ICT here at Soplak University, and I'm your Miss Soplak University for the 2024-2025 duration.
Hey guys, my name is Onthatile Bacwadi, a proud student of Soplak University and honored to be Mr. Soplak University 2025. I'm currently doing my third year in Bachelor of Commerce in Accounting.
Coming here in SPU studying ICT, I've always been passionate about leadership and learning. From someone who didn't even know how to operate a laptop to now coding website. My journey here in SPU has been nothing but an amazing journey. As a first year student, we are exposed to a lot of programs and activities that shaped me to be who I am right now. And I also grew in confidence where I was even able to enter for the Mr. and Miss Soplak University pageant.
Reflecting on my journey, starting university, I faced many challenges. There were times I doubted myself, there were times I failed, and there were times I wanted to give up. But then one important lesson I have learned from that, it is that failure is not the end, but it is a lesson. It makes us stronger and equips us as human beings. Through my role as Mr. Soplak University, I've had the opportunity to advocate about something that is very close to my heart, which is mental health. We have had the opportunity to partner with the health and wellness to make students understand that it's okay not to be okay and it's okay to ask for help.
Being Miss SPU has been a life-changing journey, allowing me to inspire, advocate, and also to serve beyond the classroom. Being part of the DSA, meaning being part of the student body, has been nothing but amazing journey. Attending leadership programs, inspiring students, my advocacy is based on sport, unity, and the power of networking. As students, networking with each other and realizing our fullest potential.
In this Youth Month, I want to encourage students to be unmuted. I want to encourage them to speak boldly and openly about their dreams, about the struggles that they struggle with on a daily basis, and about their hopes.
As a youth, let's stand up, speak up, not just for us, but for the upcoming generation. Our voice matters and our impact is powerful. And once again, my name is Nkosi, Miss SPU.
And my name is Onthatile Bacwadi, Mr. SPU.
Together, this is our truth, bold, raw, and unfiltered.